ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯀꯣ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛ ꯆꯪꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛ ꯄꯦꯖꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯆꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯂꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯅꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯁꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯅꯝꯃꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯆꯪꯉ ꯅꯝꯃꯨꯔꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯄꯨ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯒꯣꯠ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯅꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯇꯦꯛꯀ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯒ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯇꯣꯝꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒ ꯇꯞꯀ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯛꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯖꯕ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯋꯥꯇꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯣꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯀꯥꯔꯟꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯉꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯃꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ 2 step ꯚꯦꯔꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯊꯝꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯞꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯅꯦꯠ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯡꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯔꯦ
ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ
वाह दीदी दीदी वाह
ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤꯇꯨ ꯃꯦ 2023 ꯋꯦꯅꯦꯁꯗꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯝꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯥꯗꯒ
ꯂꯥꯟ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯣ ꯃꯦ ꯖꯨꯟ ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯥꯒꯁ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔ ꯊꯥ ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯁꯗꯟ ꯊꯥꯔꯒꯅ ꯃꯉꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯇꯅꯗꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯣ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ
ꯃꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯜꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯐꯅꯦꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯜꯍꯜꯂꯣ
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯤ ꯄꯣꯔꯣꯝꯄꯥꯠ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯧ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯎ ꯒꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯨꯔꯕ ꯃꯉꯛ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯜꯂꯒꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯗꯟ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯀꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯧꯅ ꯌꯥꯡꯅ ꯃꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯁꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯇꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯅꯦ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯤꯕꯩꯗ ꯁꯦꯗꯟ
ꯋꯥ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯅꯤꯗꯣ ꯁꯣꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ
ꯀꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ MLA ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯟꯗꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯉꯛꯇꯨꯗꯅꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯩꯊꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯤꯅ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯊꯔꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯂꯣꯁꯟꯗ ꯁꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯐꯨꯛꯊꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯤꯕ ARB ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯒ ꯃꯉꯛꯇ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯩꯊꯗꯣꯔꯤꯃꯦ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯅꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯨꯀꯣ MLA ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯟꯗꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ
ꯌꯦꯁ ꯈꯪꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯖꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯨꯔꯒꯥ ꯄꯨꯖꯥꯁꯦ ꯗꯥ ꯃꯍꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯥ ꯃꯍꯦꯁꯅ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯔꯦ
ꯗꯨꯔꯒꯥ ꯄꯨꯖꯥ ꯌꯧꯔꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤꯕꯣ ꯗꯥ ꯃꯍꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯅꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯄꯥꯗꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯀꯦꯔꯕꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯣꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯩꯅꯝ ꯂꯩꯅꯝ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯨꯔ ꯅꯤꯡꯇꯤ ꯁꯝꯅꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ
One of the oldest ancient kingdoms before the pre-colonial era and presently a part of the northeastern states of India. The state is renowned for its dance, sports, arts, and cultures. Manipur also gave the world-famous game of polo to the world. Lokana would like to draw attention to the subject of narco-terrorism in the region of northeast India, with a special focus on the state of Manipur through this esteemed platform. Ethnic warfare transpired on May 3, 2023 in Manipur. The conflict unfolded between the indigenous Meitei ethnic group and the Kuki-Zo community. Manipur has particularly been most impacted as it became a source and not just a route of international drug trafficking networks. The intense conflict prolonged over 5 months, and there is still unrest without any solution for peace. More than 181 deaths, with over 300 individuals sustaining severe injuries and an estimated 60,000 individuals being displaced. An impending issue to national and international security. The objective of the anti-drug campaign extends beyond Manipur to the protection of India. Let's save the world from narco-terrorism.
Yes!
Save the world. Save Manipur.
Manipur.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone is enjoying tonight. I believe our platform, Miss International, is beyond the glamour. Our platform advocates for many causes. We are very privileged to have our own foundation called Mr. International Foundation. Through this foundation, today I shed the light to my own community, my own state, Manipur, which has been burning from the past 5 months. News of deaths, houses being displaced. In these conditions, I'm standing here as the reigning Mr. International to advocate for this cause. I want everyone to give a chance to see what's happening in India to the state called Manipur. Together, let's say, save the world from narco-terrorism. Save the world, save Manipur.
Yes, save Manipur.
Thank you so much once again. Thagachari.
Oh-ho!
Ladies and gentlemen, Lokanan Etimani, our current Mr. International. We also like to acknowledge
Last cái quay này đồng chuyện bọn thằng cái chơi ôi nói niệm chạy chơi mình yên chơi biết anh gì mày art thơ mình đi chơi liền mà mình Mengpersei